Hello guys, once again welcome to Farming in Africa, and as usual my name is Fred. Today I want to express my gratitude to, first of all, Wode, because I feel like he's representing a lot of YouTubers, influencers and content creators. And why do I say this? My YouTube channel is in Ghana, in West Africa, and I'm not a YouTuber, I'm a businessman. I've worked with corporates in the US, in international companies, right? Starting companies in Ghana. And I moved to Ghana in 2016 to come launch one of the big tech companies in Ghana. And over the years, that's what I've been doing. But I love farming. So I went into farming and decided to do things better. So I started innovating and bringing a grass called Brachyra grass to Ghana and preparing hay to be able to feed my livestock. The more I go into it, the more I realize that there is such a big gap in farming in Africa. So I decided to record videos and show people what I was doing on my farm so that people can learn. And the fact that a lot of people weren't willing to also share details with me when I needed help made me really pissed and decided to start a YouTube channel just to pour everything out there, be as transparent as I can, and share not only my success but also my mistakes with everybody online, especially folks like you who are, living abroad and haven't really been on the continent for a while, and therefore are missing touch on some of these things. So over a year and a half, I've been providing content on YouTube. And as usual, when I was in the US, I also watched all the content, that people like Wode in Ghana, Vanessa. I watched Nanamwa from Ghana as well. A few from Nigeria. Vanessa, my wife and I, we watch all of you guys, the Achimota family, just to equip ourselves and know what is happening in Ghana. But I've never really been like this social media kind of guy. I'm a very serious guy, business guy, think about it, do things that I'm passionate about, love to enjoy life. Recently, I decided traveling more to do more research on agriculture and how really I can change the livestock industry in Ghana. And recently I decided to come to Uganda and decided to reach out to a few YouTubers and farmers in Uganda that I can visit. And almost everyone that I reach out to, and the moment I say I'm a Ghanaian from Ghana, and want to visit your farm, the first thing they go is like, Wode, do you know Wode? I love that guy, man. Yes, come, I'll be happy to host you. So the first one, the second one, I was like, what is going on here? And I don't know Wode personally. I've seen the great work that he does and everything, but it gave me some realization of like, Wode thinks he's probably promoting Africa, but the few days have told me that he's not just promoting Africa, but he and so many other people are setting a path for a lot of the next generation. Maybe not all the way to the next generation, even this generation, because I consider myself this generation, right? They are creating a path. They are starting something that is giving an opportunity beyond themselves, beyond their countrymen, but for the whole of Africa and for the world. And I don't know what you guys think. If you don't know Wode, please go on YouTube, put Wode, and I'm sure you will be able to see the work that he does. He basically travels across the continent and showcase the beauty of Africa, which we all know that is missing in the media. So that's his vision. But far did I know that what I'm doing in agriculture, Wode's input is going to have any effect on how my YouTube channel or my journey to educate people about farming in Africa was going to be impacted. And I've seen him. I mean, I'm a small fish in the pool as compared to what Wode is doing. So, I've stick with what I'm doing, and I'm just sharing my knowledge and my experience as each day goes on to viewers out there. But I didn't know that this impact till last week when I decided to come to Uganda. I am actually recording this video from in Uganda, And I'm just feeling very appreciative for the work that some of you are big YouTubers are doing, because ever since I've been here, I've also learned that Ugandans actually have a YouTubers group on WhatsApp where they are communicating, sharing ideas, easy to have collaborations, and so on and so forth. And I hope we could do something like that in Ghana. But you know, there is always that perception about, oh, you have only 1,000 views, you have only 20,000 views, you have only 9,000 views, and therefore, you know, the big sharks don't want to reach out. And I know Demaya has talked about this in some of his videos when he wanted to have collaboration with some of the, you know, big YouTubers by then in Ghana, and they didn't even respond to him, right? And I think no matter what, whatever you guys, the big guys, you're doing, is having an impact on us, whether you like it or not. If I go to my YouTube analytics now, it will tell me that people that are watching my video are also watching videos from Odemaya. They're also watching videos from Vanessa Kimbi. So it's like, it's interconnected, guys. You know, because if Odemaya puts a video out there that is doing really good about farming anywhere in Africa, if I already even have a video about that topic, it automatically promotes that video. And that's the amazing of internet. There is nothing like monopoly. There's nothing like, you know, this person is cheating me and so on. There's nobody on YouTube that watch only one person or only one content. As we all know, we just scroll and watch whatever sounds interesting. And if I watch a video on farming, it's likely my next suggestion is going to be farming. And if Odemaya or Vanessa has done anything about farming or any topic relating to that, it will be suggested to him. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost me anything. So whether we like it or not, I think we are very connected in that way. And I'm just realizing that being in Uganda this week and really seeing the impact that Odemaya has had on what I'm doing here. And I've met so many amazing people. I have met, you know, Value Farm, Tina and Grifton was so welcoming. I went to their farm, did a lot of content with them that is coming soon. I met with, you know, Nguru Farm, who is doing a lot of innovative things on his farm. Those videos are coming soon. I also met with Duke's Farm, you know, so many and so many more. And I've created a lot of content that I'm going to share with you. But I think my goal is to be able to inspire the youth into going into farming, to be able to share what is possible in farming and change the narrative, because over the years farming has been done, you know, same way over and over and expecting different results. And it's time we change, we innovate, we bring the technology, we bring all the innovative way that is happening here into agriculture. And that is my goal, right? And I hope to do more of that and be able to travel more and expose myself and my viewers and aspiring farmers into what is possible, breeds, methods of feeding, treatment of medication, skills, you know, crafts, architecture, anything that can help us increase sort of the livestock industry. And that is my goal. And you guys have contributed hugely into the progress of it. That I go, I call people up, they probably haven't even heard my channel, but because they know you guys, they are allowing us and opening their doors to us. And I think that is worth mentioning. And that's why I'm dedicating this video to all of you awesome YouTubers in Africa that are growing. And I know it's not easy to create content to hit, you know, thousands of subscribers, millions of subscribers. Takes hard work. And your hard work, we, the ones starting, are benefiting from it. And therefore we say thank you and continue doing the good job, because you're not only doing it for yourself, you are really creating the path for us and the next generation. And there is more to come, because it is so easy for people to learn from YouTube than to go to a school, to go for courses, or to even read a book. Most people want normal people like myself teaching them, you know, where they know that the experience is practical and it's being taught from experience and not just book knowledge. So I really want to appreciate you guys and say thank you very much. I'm gonna come to Ghana tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to putting all this content together and sharing it with all my viewers and my followers and everybody to enjoy. And hopefully you all can be inspired, because I was so inspired in Uganda with how far they've gone with livestock farming and all the innovative ways and things they're doing in farming. So thank you guys, and watch out for a lot of videos from Uganda coming your way.